everybody, I'm Gigi of Gigi Eats Celebrities. So I'm having a huge problem right now. I've been standing in this kitchen for about 10-20 minutes trying to figure out how to start this video, and I literally have no idea. And the reason is because the recipe I'm going to make today is inspired by a holiday I don't celebrate. It's a Hallmark holiday, so I think at this point you guys might already know what I'm talking about. I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. That's right, never have. Never will. It'd be nice to get flowers or whatever, but the problem with Valentine's Day is everyone has these high expectations of what it's gonna be like, and then those expectations are not exceeded. That being said, the recipe I'm going to make today hopefully will exceed my expectations. Now, a little backstory on this recipe. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that crazy fad going on right now, avocado toast. Yeah, I've gone to restaurants where I see like $20 for an avocado toast, and I'm like, what in the f***? Does it cure cancer? I get it, crunchy and creamy, that's a great combination, but there are so many ways you can get that combination without spending $20 on it. I mean, maybe they like sprinkle gold on top, not that gold would necessarily make it taste any better, so I don't know what the appeal is. Maybe I'm over here being bitter because I've never had avocado toast before, thanks to the fact that I can't eat bread. But I decided to take it upon myself to make my own spin on the avocado toast. And guys, there's not gonna be any bread at all. In fact, this recipe I plan on making is going to be even more heart healthy than the avocado toast, because as you may or may not know, avocados are full of omega-9 fatty acids, which are really good for your heart. So yeah, of course I'm gonna include avocados, but I'm also going to include turkey. You were probably wondering what that was sitting on my counter. It is ground turkey. Yeah, you have no idea what's going on right now, which is why you should stay tuned to see what I actually come up with. And oh guys, I found this cute little heart-shaped cookie cutter in my drawer, and we're definitely gonna use it. Look at how cute it is. Isn't Valentine's Day about being so cute and all that kind of stuff? So right here, super cute. It's not gonna be so cute when I try to eat it though, because I'm not exactly a cute eater. It's calling to me, like hopefully your crush is calling you right now saying, hey, wanna be my date for Valentine's Day? Ha ha ha. Here we go. Yep. Oh shit. Oh gosh, I love this. This is going to be my Valentine this year. Forget chocolates, forget flowers, forget all that stupid crap. All you really need is my rendition of avocado toast. Turkey, avocado. So easy, so simple, and you know what? No doubt in my mind, if you make this on Valentine's Day, she or he will be dragging you to the bedroom right after they're done taking these 2 bites. And the best part, as I said earlier, is it's so heart healthy, so you do not have to feel guilty whatsoever about eating this, and it's low carb, just in case you're watching your carbohydrate intake. I have to say I'm very proud of myself because I'm not the type of person to take lots and lots of time to make things look cute and pretty, but I did. And I put bagel spice on top because that just made it taste like bread a little bit more, or so I thought in my mind. Will you be my Valentine? Don't let this stuff go to waste. This is great. Doesn't have to look like a heart in order for you to eat it, FYI. Before I finish all of my leftovers, because you know I will, I want to thank all of you for watching this video, and I am pointing turkey at you right now. And I do hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do leave me your comments below and tell me what you do on Valentine's Day to make it super special, and if you have a specific Valentine. All right, bye.